Hey guys, Mr.B here. So today I'm going to show you guys on this Mazda CX-5 how to remove and install a running light, also kind of similar to a headlight, and how to repair a broken connection with a light socket. So when the vehicle's in drive, we have a running light LED that turns on that side. That's not the actual headlight. It only turns on when you put the vehicle in drive. So that one works, but that one does not. If I twist it to the left, it comes out. Now this one's an LED. Usually those LEDs last a lot longer. This is a newer light, so I doubt that light is actually bad. If I wiggle this connection, it actually starts to work. So we don't actually have an issue with the light bulb itself. We have an issue with the connection in this connector. So I'm just going to unplug it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little yellow piece out of here. You can see right in here where these terminals are. Okay, that piece there and that piece there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pick and I'm gonna pinch them a little bit. Over time, they start to push away from the connections inside the light bulb, and then they don't make a clean connection. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put that yellow piece back in. Plug the light back in. And that feels much better, much tighter. We'll see if it works. And it turned on right away. Wiggle it and see if that makes any difference. Okay, no difference there. So obviously just tightening up that connection made the difference. It made everything work. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Okay, so you push it in to where it clicks in, and then you wanna make sure you twist it to the right like that until it stops. So that way when you wiggle it, it doesn't fall out going down the road. Of course, you wanna make sure it works when you're done. Obviously it does. Put it back in park. Put it back in drive. All right, put it back in park. So there you have it. That is how you remove and install a light bulb on a vehicle, kind of similar to a headlight, and repair a broken connection. If you guys found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks.